everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free dice for Butterbear Board Game in Heartopia. So Heartopia recently launched a new collaborations event with Butterbear, and it comes with a new board game that works a lot like Monopoly like this, where you move around the board by rolling dice. And if you don't know how the game works yet or want to learn the important feature before playing, just check out the tutorial link in the descriptions. And since this game requires dice, you will probably want as many as possible. And the good news is that you can get them for free. First, just complete all your resident quests. You can get it from there. Each quest will give you one dice like this, and since there are 4 quests available daily, you can get up to 5 free dice every day. And then next, just check the current quest at the event. This one, you can get the dice from here, from the current quest like this. So just simply complete the listed quest to earn additional dice rewards on here. And then you can also get free dice when your Butterbears land on the pink donut tiles with a question mark like this. When your donut tiles land on this donut, you can get 1 free dice. And lastly, don't forget the milestone rewards on here. As you continue rolling dice and progressing through the game, you will unlock milestone rewards, and that include even more free dice on here. You can get the free dice from the milestone rewards. And okay, that's how you can collect free dice in Butterbear Board Game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.